a great, safe holiday weekend with family and friends. Just wanted to pop on here. There's a lot of questions about the mega party that we are getting ready to do as an organization. And so I wanted to hop on here and just answer any questions that you might have if anybody has time to get on here live. And also wanted to give some details that might help with some of the questions. So, first of all, no links. Nobody posts a link to your party. That is something you will have the responsibility of getting that link to the people that you invite on a private one-on-one, or you set up a little message to all of them, or however you want to do that. But no links are to be posted. And just assure yourself that if you post a link, as soon as we see it, it'll be taken out. And I mean, I can't imagine anybody trying to do that and get by with anything. We just can't have that. We can't confuse the guests. So no links. Those will be something that you'll be responsible for getting that information to your own customers, okay? The other thing is, we want you to be involved. We want you, hey Lisa, we want you to comment as much as you can. If somebody asks a question and you're unsure of it, then just don't say anything. Let somebody else come in and answer that question. But we want lots of activity, lots of comments. So your keyword over the next 3 days is going to be comment. Go in there and check, and you want to stay involved, especially if any of your guests are commenting. But no posts. The posts I just got off of a hour-long call. The posts are already ready to be set up. We're going to have Facebook Lives every day with a recipe. So this is going to be exciting, but make sure that you as a consultant don't post anything, okay? It's just that's going to be mass confusion, because we're not going to know. You don't know the theme of the day. You don't know the story that we're kind of telling, okay? So sit back, relax. This is going to be free money in your pocket if you will get your people invited and excited, because they should be ordering, we're hoping, booking, maybe even recruiting, and you're not having to do the work other than staying involved with your guests, okay? So I'm hoping this is going to be a great thing for everybody involved. We are certainly very excited about it. Your director team is super pumped. We've got things we're going to be doing, at least 4 prizes and maybe more as we, go throughout the time together. So look forward to a fun few days, very exciting over the next 3 days, and we are looking forward to interacting with you. I know this is on a Sunday afternoon. I know we're not going to get very many people on here, but I guess if you have additional questions, go ahead and post them, and somebody on here will try to answer those for you. So I think that is all. You'll have your link given to your people, so then those orders are going to come to you. And if you wanted to do something, as far as if you wanted to let your people know that you're going to offer a prize to all of your customers that order, we are not going to try to do a prize for orders. We just decided that was not manageable. So you are certainly welcome to do that with your own customers. Okay? We will try to go ahead and answer questions. Let me go ahead and go through the way this needs to go. You're going to go to your website. You're going to set up a party, just like you had a new party, where you go and set that up, and you're going to be able to have your link. I just saw Michelle's. Michelle, if you will text, I've got to leave here pretty soon, so the only reason I'm going to have you do that. If you will text Kimberly, are you in touch with Kimberly that you could ask Kimberly to add you to the party? She's already in there, and she could easily add you. If that doesn't work, you let me know, and I'll get that taken care of right away. I'll delegate that. Okay, so you're going to go to your website, set up a party. Personally, I'm going to set it up as a cooking show, and then mark virtual. That way, if for any reason I needed to add a co-host, you can do that. If you set it up as a catalog, you cannot. And then once you have that done, then you're going to set up your link. That's what you're going to be giving to your customers. You don't have to set up anything as far as a virtual party. You don't have to post anything. All that is being done for you. The only thing you need to do is let a director know that you want to be involved in, it's called the Best Summer Ever Virtual Mega Virtual Show or Virtual Mega Show, something like that. Let a director on our team know that you want to be added so we can add you, and then you're going to add 25 people, no more than 25. It's not at least 25, okay? 25 people, no more than 25 people, because we've got a lot of consultants that are going to be adding here, okay? If you still have questions, post them here, and I will try to take care of that. And Michelle, if you can't get that done, you private message me and I'll make it happen, okay? Bye.
Oh, it's not showing.
Hi Laura, I am trying this new app. Hi Laura, I am trying this new app that I think is going to work great. Cassandra sent me the information for it. One clarification that I did want to make about the s'mores brownies recipe that you saw today. That is the recipe that I use for the topping. However, I have never liked that cake recipe. So instead of making that cake, I use a brownie mix. I mix it according to directions, and then I put that in the microwave for 6 or 7 minutes. Start with 6, but if it's too moist, then add another minute. It just all depends on your microwave. And then proceed with the marshmallows and the graham crackers and the chocolate drizzle. Let me know if you have any questions, and I hope this app is going to help us a lot.